Meaning of deportment.
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 Deportment. Deportment refers to the way in which a person behaves or conducts themselves, particularly in terms of their manners and etiquette. It involves elements such as posture, facial expressions, and body language, as well as more subtle aspects like tone of voice and choice of words. Good deportment is typically viewed as an indicator of social grace, refinement, and respectability, and is often valued in formal or professional settings. Conversely, poor deportment may be viewed as indicative of ignorance, rudeness, or lack of consideration for others.